All right, you ready? All right, so out here it's October 1st, just getting some corn putting out a deer stand or two down the bottom, just try to get ready. We're gonna be gone for the next couple weekends, give it plenty of time to settle down. So that's what we're doing. Enjoy the footage of me pouring corn. All right, so I'm taking this stand down here and sticking it in the woods. There's a thick little area. I think we can get some bucks coming through, so y'all just watch and see. Okay, so the bottom was bust, it's too thick down in there. So I'm gonna put it probably on this stand right here behind, or this tree behind me, and be able to watch over this little oak flat up in here. A bunch of crossings, trails going everywhere, and should have something slide through here. Acorns are dropping. Well, this ain't a bad little spot. She can get the, you got it? So we got this stand put up. Good little spot up under these oak trees. Beautiful oak trees. Set up for a north-northwest wind. I think this would be a good spot. As long as the squirrel don't jump up on it, we'll be all right. Well, we got the camera put up. Hopefully catch something crossing this major trail right here. We got the deer stand put up 10 yards from the trail, so be a good spot. Okay, so come out here to our little, quote unquote, little field, put some corn out. I was gonna put the stand out, but I don't have my pole saw with me at the time, so I have to get it another time. I got a camera put back here on the little tree back there behind me. So we just want to see what we got. Already got scrapes right now. They're peeing in already. I mean, it's the 1st of October, so it's a little early for that, but hey, it's something. So I'll be back out here in about 2 weeks or so, get this other stand up, and by then it'll be rifle season. So y'all just hang tight. We'll get it squared away. And hopefully in a couple of weeks, we'll have another deer on the ground. Big honking knobs, has the juice. Oh, you got that on camera? I feel like it highlights my man boob. Camera put up.